Hi, it's Allie, and I'm going to show you how to fold a shirt. So you're going to take your shirt, lay it out like that, and just straighten out the arms and the collar. So I'm going to do that. So just like that. And then what you're going to do is you take your arm, you fold it across the chest of the shirt, just like that. See how it starts there and then it goes across? Then you're going to take it and you're going to take this piece and fold it down, just like that. You're going to do the same with the other side. Okay, so that's what I got. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take one side like this and just fold it in and do the same with the other side. So it looks like that. Now just take the top of the shirt, that piece, just take it and fold it down to the end. So it looks like that. Then you're going to turn it around, fix it up a little, and if you want, you can fold it up like that. But I don't do that, so unless the shirt is long, and that's how you do it. So hope you find this video handy and hope you like it.